Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure is an extension to HTTP allowing for secure communication between you and another computer. In the early days of the internet, everything was going unencrypted over the wire, meaning that a man-in-the-middle attack where someone is just listening to the traffic was very easy to do. This was not much of an issue back then, but with the introduction of banking, we needed something a lot more secure. So, in 1994, Netscape Communications have come up with what is now known as HTTPS. Originally, Secure Shell Protocol was used for the actual encryption of the traffic, but there was some security bugs found. So new versions were released every now and again until 1999 when it was renamed to Transport Layer Security, or TLS, just to confuse us a little bit more. We are currently on version 1.3 of TLS, and as I'm writing this video, the encryption has not been broken. TLS works by using asymmetric cryptography, where you have a public key that is known to everyone, which is used to make sure that the message came from the correct source and has not been tampered with, and the private key, which is known only to you, allowing you to decrypt incoming messages. In the real world, we don't really have a public key, but rather a certificate that contains some extra information telling us things like who issued the certificate, which should always go back to Certified Authority, or CA, and what domain names are valid for it. This allows us to check if we are not being scammed by anyone injecting an invalid certificate and decrypting our traffic. This was HTTPS as fast as possible. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.